Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the HP Chromebook and plugging it in. That prevents interruptions during updates. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Make sure it's 2, 4 or 5 gigahertz, because system downloads need consistent bandwidth. Next, sign in with your Google account so Chrome OS can sync passwords, bookmarks, and settings. Once signed in, check for system updates in settings and install them. Updates improve stability and security, and they reduce the likelihood of driver or app conflicts down the line. You now personalize the device to match how you work. Open settings and adjust display brightness, keyboard backlight, and touchpad sensitivity so typing and navigation feel natural. If you need Android apps, enable the Play Store. For development tools, enable Linux Christini. Once enabled, install core apps and Chrome extensions for productivity. Choose lightweight, trusted apps to avoid slowdowns. Make sure app permissions are limited. Doing this keeps performance smooth and prevents unexpected background data use that can drain battery. You finish by locking down the laptop. Set a strong PIN, enable fingerprint or smart lock to speed login, and confirm automatic updates are on so patches install seamlessly. Make sure Google Drive Sync and local backups are active to protect files. Finally, test sleep and wake behavior and confirm peripherals work. If something goes wrong, for example, the device won't boot, try a hard reset first. And if that fails, use the Chrome OS Recovery USB. Those 2 steps resolve most startup failures.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.